the news headlines. Parents meeting for 10th standard students.
Motivational class for SSLC students by CAO Sir.
Parent-teacher meeting for 10th standard students.
Celebration of Flowers Day by Nursery Wing. Good Manners Day by Primary Wing. Nutritional Day for HPS Wing and PPT by HS Wing.
Celebration of Mathematics Day.
Celebration of Christmas Festival.
6th official focus test for 10th standard students.
Vishwa Manava Dina. Pratibhanveshane program.
Meeting for 10th standard students to discuss about the exam schedules.
On 12 December, motivational class arranged for SSLC students by our CAO Dr. N. Shivram Reddy Sir. Sir motivated the students to set goals and work towards achieving those goals and also gave tips on time management for students.
Parent-teacher meeting was conducted on 13 December for 10th standard students. Our headmaster sir gave information about 3 schedules. Examination of 10th standard to the parents and asked the parents to supervise the students at home.
ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬೌದ್ಧಿಕ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ತಿಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲಹೆ.
Celebrated Flowers Day on 16 December. From Nursery Wing, Good Manners activities from LPS Wing, Nutrition Day from HPS Wing and PowerPoint presentation from High School Wing along with the parent-teacher meeting for pre-KG to 9th standard was successfully held.
On 22nd December was celebrated Mathematics Day on account great mathematician Sri Srinivas Ramanujan. Our students did many activities related to mathematics. Our students and teachers spoke the life achievements of Sri Ramanujan. Our headmaster spoke the importance of mathematics in our daily life.
To create awareness about religious festivals in students, we celebrate Christmas festival in our school for nursery wing. All our nursery kids were to church by our teachers.
Sixth official focus test was conducted for 10th standard students from 26 December to 29 December.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀನು ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ನಿತ್ಯ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೆರಳೆತ್ತಿದರೂ ಸಾಕು ಅದು ಗೋವರ್ಧನಗಿರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ನುಡಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವಮಾನವ ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಾನವ ದಿನದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲಾ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕವಿತೆ ರಚನಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರ ಕೃತಿಗಳು, ನಾಟಕಗಳು, ಕಾದಂಬರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಭಾಷಣ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವರಚಿತ ಕವನಗಳನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರು ಬರೆದಿರುವ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸುವಂತೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. To enhance the knowledge and measure the ability of SSLC students, the Pratibhanveshane mega program was conducted at Gnana Gangotri campus, Chikbalapur on 30th December.
Nearly 1,270 students were participated in different events like essay, quiz, seminars, drawing, poem recitation, etc. Our school student Ramya RC got second place in the poem recitation. All teachers and headmasters are congratulated her.
Like this curricular and co-curricular